What's up, YouTube? Today we're doing our very first slime video. So today we're going to see who make the best slime. And you know it's going to be your girl, D.
You already know it's your boy Marcus.
So let's get started.
Y'all already know my slime can look way better than hers.
I'm gonna use the glue first.
She don't even know how to make no slime. Look at her.
She don't.
She don't even know how to make no slime. Show you how to make some slime, girl.
First of all,
Show y'all how to make some slime.
yeah.
I don't want that.
You have to use glue to make slime.
Yeah, I got some glue.
Oh, he gonna use a
You
clear
don't
glue.
worry about me.
He gonna use a clear glue, y'all.
Yeah, she don't need to worry about me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let me use, I don't know if I want to use this or not. I haven't used my water. Say you gotta use water, so I don't know how much. I'm just gonna pour some in here. Look like enough. Don't pour too much.
Just too much.
First of all, I didn't even pour that much in mine. I want mine a little fluffy, so I'm just gonna put some shaving cream in there. Oh, you can't see.
Let me get some of this. This that slime activator.
Gonna have some real slime. Now I'm gonna mix it together. I need a spoon. Ew. I need some more water. See, I'm cooking it. It's cooking.
It's cooking.
Yeah, it's cooking. Like I'm making it. Like, yeah, it's coming together. See, yours is too watery, y'all. He already messing up. I want some more of this.
This that real slime right here.
This real. That's real
This
deal
I don't know
slime.
nothing about.
This real deal slime. I want fluffy slime, so he's jealous of.
Oh, my bad. Don't start.
You started first.
Here, put some of that in there. That right there.
I know. I am a yo Adidas jacket gonna be filled with it.
Yeah, this feels so good.
Feel mine.
This feels so good.
There's nothing but glue.
What you talking about this slime?
Look at mine though.
If I slap you in your face,
You better not.
Yeah, I would put this in her face, but
I got sensitive skin. You can't do that.
yeah.
Look, mine is.
Let me get some more of that slime activator. It's the real deal.
Mine's a more fluffy consistency, and his is just like this liquid. His just looks so liquid. Ugh. Get paper towel.
I don't know why she hating on me.
Open, the titties open. Get that. You making a mess.
Oh, my bad.
You know what you're doing.
No
You getting
problem.
stuff all over me.
I'm sorry. I ain't meant to do that. I tried to put something in the bowl.
Okay.
I'm trying to make some slime.
Okay, now it's time to just add some little decorative stuff, I guess. Let me ask them to see how would it do. See what it do. You needed it. Should have got us a stick to stir it with. I like this slime, y'all. This one be a slime, yeah. I'm excited.
I'm about to use some of these water beads.
Yeah. I don't know what color. I want to use the little confetti stuff because I think I like pink. So let's just get a little pink up in there. How you open that? You bit it? I'm gonna bite mine because.
Just see it. Oh no.
Okay, y'all, I got some scissors. Yeah, this little confetti stuff in there. Got a packets of it, you know, nothing too serious.
What else I want to put in here?
Everything. It's coming together.
Look like you cooking a cake.
Ooh, this color too. Like this.
Cut that for me.
Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, he's very watery. Mine's
Do that little watery.
gonna be better, y'all. Let's see. Ooh, so
Why you
pretty.
didn't cut that for me?
I did.
Oh.
Some confetti in there. I got a clear bowl so y'all can see, baby. So y'all look. And there you go. Get it in there real good. Can't really tell it's there now. If I stirred it.
Cause you ain't make it good. That's why you can't tell it's done. You're supposed to be able to see that.
Mm.
And you
Feel
can't
like
see
this feel like blue. I'm just gonna add some more shaving cream. You know, you really gotta overdo it.
Oh.
I think I made too much.
A few moments later.
Marcus! Stop! Marcus, stop! Oh my goodness, you get into my hair.
Yeah, I had to get it, y'all. You already know who won. Yeah. I dare you. She get me.
What's wrong with him?
Yeah.
Add these
That's slime, real slime.
I'm just gonna add a lot of different colors, so I'm just gonna go in there.
I might make this again.
Yeah, he got it all over me.
I'm,
Y'all can see he got it all over me.
Next
All right,
time
he trying to
we're
play.
gonna have different colors. Like instead of using all white, we're
Can
gonna
you use this?
use different color.
Just add stuff in there. Just doing it now. Just gonna go for it. Making a mess, but you know, it's all worth it. Yeah. Yeah, I think this is a fail. Cause this slime is messy. Like, I want some slime that's not gonna like get all over me. You know what I'm saying? Ugh. Can't do it. No. You got it all over my skin.
Put that slime activator.
Use it. Why you just open the whole top and put it in there
What?
like this?
Oh.
Put the whole thing in there.
I'm good.
Use a slime activator.
Yeah. What the?
Yeah, it's really fun. Y'all should really try to make some slime and just DM us y'all videos so we can watch them. Cause I will watch them. Oh my goodness, this is too much. Since we're going crazy, let me just add all this in
Look
there.
like I'm milking a cow.
Oh, no.
You made a complete mess. Well, Marcus did. Put this all over me. It's on his jacket now. But he don't care. He does not care. Some more beads. This is a complete fail.
Let me wash this off, man. Yeah, this
No, let's
making this
finish.
slime
It's a lot. Honestly, it's a lot.
it's fun. It's fun, but it's messy as y'all can see.
Yeah. Just
Y'all
adding-
y'all see all that slime on her shirt?
I'm just adding everything in mine.
She got so much slime on her shirt.
It's basically glue now, y'all. It's glue. You know, you don't play with a girl weave. You can't be getting the girl weave. That's crazy. That dude, he crazy.
Should have pulled it on top of your head.
Ooh, you better not get that in my real hair.
That's why I should have folded it
Don't do that.
on top of your head. Hey, you want my slime?
No, I don't. Okay, look how mine. You can't really see, but it's like it got a lot of polka dots in it. I mean, it look real messy, but it look
You gotta show him.
good. Okay, let me clean my hands off a little bit.
You gonna waste it.
You can waste yours because yours watery.
You already waste about it. It ain't water though.
Okay, look at mine.
You sleeping on mine.
It's gonna fall.
Man, yours a little hard. Let me see.
It's not hard though.
I
It's,
like the way yours feel.
yeah. He basically just admitted that mine is better than his. See back down here,
I
yet.
won.
No,
Mine's been better than yours. I won. I won.
You did not win.
I won.
Don't look at my face. You know my skin sensitive. Look.
Don't play. Not play. I knew this was gonna turn out bad, dog.
She got
I knew this was gonna turn out bad.
blue out.
Yeah.
And stuff.
I knew this was gonna turn out bad.
You
Let me
better,
see.
Marcus. No,
Let me
stop,
see.
because you're doing too much. Stop.
Let me see.
No, stop.
Let me see yours.
Stop. Calm down. Calm down.
You talking about calm down?
Calm down.
Shit turned out bad. This nigga. Stop playing on me. Stop playing. Y'all see she playing with me. Yeah. Yeah. Who won? Who won? What, you in shock mode? Oh, okay. I thought so.
What's wrong with you? Why did you do that?
Oh, you want to get on my jacket?
You got it on me, all over me. You got it on my shirt. Don't. Give me this. Give me this. Give me this. Give it here.
But y'all see who won this slime contest, so I thank y'all for watching our video.
Yeah, please
Y'all make
like
sure
and
y'all hit
subscribe.
that thumbs up button.
I hope it was worth it.
Leave some comments. And y'all subscribe.
Ooh, this is
And we'll be
fail.
back with some more fun videos. You
Crafty
already
videos.
know.
He may be mad, y'all, but I ain't gonna show it because I can get off camera. I'm gonna boop boop.
Girl, I ain't gonna do nothing.
I'm gonna boop boop.
I ain't gonna do nothing but pour this slime activate on. Pour this slime activate on you.
But yeah, mine look good though. I like mine.
No.
Gotta go hop in the shower. No.
Okay.
Ow.
But thank y'all for watching. We'll be back with another
Wait,
video.
let me say something. Peace.